Today on this rainy day at Camp Mini Ponderosa, we're making cheesesteak sandwiches for dinner. We've got the onions cooking. We're browning the bread. And it's trying to sprinkle on us. Trying to get all this, and the smoke. Trying to get all this stuff done before it starts raining, so we can go into the little mini Ponderosa and eat. This is one of the things that we decided that we was going to do on the way over here. We stopped at Harps on the way and got some of the Philly cheesesteak. They're already finely thinned, shredded pieces of meat that we're going to fry with the onions. It comes with the seasoning, and we're going to put some cheese on it after it's all done. This is going to be our dinner. We're going to have some leftover. And this is the size of the buns that it's going to, size of the sandwiches it's going to be. This right here is the steak I was telling you about. It's finally shredded. We're going to put these in there. There's 3 little slabs. And it comes with the seasoning pack in there.
We had bought the grill, but it's been raining. We got complete rain out this trip. So we're trying to quickly make dinner before it gets worse.
It's better to have a flat griddle, which we've got, but it's raining. I didn't want to get it out right now.
Yeah, we got rained out this trip.
So I'm going to just put this seasoning in there and stir it all together. Like so. I've showed y'all this in the past. This is just a little lid. I use it to cover everything. It makes for a good oven. You can bake, take these pans and put cinnamon rolls or anything in them. And you can see that meat went from squares down to that. It's got a little bit longer to go. We'll cover it with that lid. We use, this is just something that I bought years ago. Found it at a yard sale. It's just a little browning knife set. They've got these little scalbards built in them. Just different types of knives right here. You've got the other one that I just used in the camper. For these small campers like this, these things folds up so small, so light.
I totally recommend one of these. These are awesome. You can put them in that little drawer underneath the fridge.
Yeah.
In the camper.
They fit in that drawer. They don't take up a lot of space, and they're real light. And if you wanted to carry them with you while you're cooking, it's got a belt spot here for your belt to go through to carry them on your sides. We keep them in the camper. They're light. They're handy. You get a chance to pick some of them up, highly recommend it. We was debating on what size knives to get, and I remembered I had these, and these is perfect for this little camper. We've downsized. You have to downsize for these little campers, and this is one of the things that wouldn't call myself a pro, but I'm gonna call it a pro tip, just because they're handy to have and they're nice, and they're real sharp. You get a chance to get a set, get these. We're using provolone cheese. I don't know what you're actually supposed to put on them.
Whatever you want.
Any kind of cheese would work.
We like provolone, especially for steak.
Provolone for this. We're going to layer these on here pretty good. Boy, that's smoke. That's a bad thing about cooking over an open flame. You got the smoke, and regardless which way you go, it follows you. I may take one more slice to go in there. Like so. And I'm going to get that lid and put on it. And then I'm going to actually set that off to the fire over here so it don't burn.
Yeah, it's done pretty much. He's going to do that so it'll melt.
And that lid will hold in the heat and let the cheese melt the rest of the way. And it keeps it all from burning. A dandy little hill. We got lid. One of the best things. We got it at Walmart. Just to try it out. We've cooked cinnamon rolls under it. We've cooked a little bit of everything. It works great. It works great on melting cheese. So whenever this cools off when we make our sandwiches, we'll show you what the finished product looks like. Woo! That cheese is melted and it's running everywhere and it's stretchy.
Steak and onions. Yum. It's good too.
Well, I just made a mess of that.
It doesn't matter.
So
we're camping. It don't matter. Who agrees? Keeping it off the ground and keeping flies out of it's the hardest part.
And that's what the finished product looked like. I cooked the onions till they look burnt to some people. They're not burnt. They're just charred a little bit. And that'll just bring out the flavor of the onion in it a little bit better. So now we're going to sit down and enjoy our dinner. Just remember to be satisfied with what you're doing in life, and if you're not satisfied, you make the changes. Sorry about my nose running, but the smoke's got me running. Just remember to live simple, simply live, and happy camping. We'll catch you in the next video.
Yeah.